Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to master plenty kicks in FIFA 24? Follow these simple steps to practice and perfect your technique. First of all, head over to the Learn to Play section in the FIFA 24 menu. From there, select Practice Arena to begin your training. Once you are in the practice arena, change the mode to free kick. This will allow you to move freely around the pitch. Now, manually move your player inside the planty box. Position yourself in front of the goal to set up for planty kicks. Press the start button to activate planty mode. Now you can take as many planty kicks as you want. Focus on your shoot power, aiming, and timing to consistently score goals. The more you practice, the better you will get. And that's it. Now you know how to train plenty kicks in FIFA 24. Keep practicing and you will be scrolling like a pro in no time. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.